Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iodine clock full guide. Gather your reagents, set up a clean workspace, and don your safety gear before you begin. We will mix solutions step by step, watch the reaction timing, and explain the chemistry behind the color change. I will give tips for consistent timing, troubleshooting common mistakes, and safe disposal practices so you can repeat the demonstration confidently. First, assemble measured reagents and tools: iodate, bisulfite or thiosulfate, acid, starch, and distilled water. Premix stock solutions and label them to avoid confusion during the timed reaction. Keep a timer ready and practice the pouring sequence to achieve repeatable delays. I will describe concentration effects, temperature impacts, and dilution strategies so you can control the clock's timing and observe. Mix solutions in the precise order I describe and start your timer the instant you combine them to measure the delay accurately. Watch the mixture switch from clear to deep blue when the starch binds liberated iodine, and record the time for analysis. I will explain how changing concentration, temperature, or reagent ratios shifts the clock interval, and share simple experimental variations that reveal the underlying kinetics without complicated equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.